The Manipulating Our Perception of Time documentary. Human beings have a different perception of time that is associated with cognitive functions, such as attention. Time perception is the individual's subjective experience of the period past and the duration of events perceived. This helps create a memory of an event that allows the individual to form a belief and deep understanding from beginning to end. It is part of the daily human experience and plays a vital role in how organisms behave and survive. This essay will discuss the perception of time and its importance for human beings, incorporating essential facts from the Manipulating Our Perception of Time documentary by Documentary Live 24H. The video presents how human beings can manipulate the perception of time and its relation to natural occurrences. The primary fact in the video is that human perception of time shapes one's view of the world. This is created by manipulating time, which is valuable yet cannot be seen nor touched. How humans influence time is compared to a meditation class where time changes the same way with zones. The more time seems to have passed, the extended the perception and reflection of different humans. Success lies in the ability to manipulate time, as evidenced by using speed cameras. Human life and the way time is being perceived are connected to natural patterns such as day and night resulting from the movement of the earth. Human brains are essential in measuring time. It helps in identifying different changes, which is crucial in an individual perception of time created by the sequential sampling of a series of events. An interesting revelation from the documentary is that various challenges face in developing calendars because of time perception. There are those based on the moon cycles, religious aspects, the sun's yearly journeys, and the cycle of the seasons. These are important in shaping time and planning because calendars can tell when to plant and expect different seasons for human life. Surprisingly, the world changes due to these differences in time and the long-term human perception of time extending to more extended periods. This changes the nature of the planet, giving human beings different views. The video ends by presenting that nothing stays the same, and the universe is fully involved in how far people can extend their perception of time. Technology has opened new ways in how individual perception happens, and there is a possibility that more advances may occur. The ability to perceive and interact with human beings' world is shaped by the sense and relation created by time perception. This is supported by critical body movements and linked to the brain. It constructs a sapient brain that can be manipulated and distorted under certain circumstances or changes in the stimuli. One can slow their time perception through mindfulness meditation, which aims at helping individuals focus on more aspects of the present moment. Time perception is affected by age because mental image production is slowed, and fatigue increases, creating an overlap in eye movement. This explains why time perception in people changes over time and concerning years lived. Time perception is different across various people and cultures worldwide. Time is an indefinitely divisible and usable commodity that helps people infuse resources in modern times. It is marked by the sensitivity in creating temporal judgment to contextual factors in the surroundings. Daily human decisions are based on experienced time passage and the anticipated duration of stay. Events and activities that last only a few seconds are bound to be viewed depending on how they were perceived as either painfully long or lasting too short. These memories are documented in the human brain, and how it creates time is found in the philosophical theory of Western traditions. The concept and marking of time have been necessary to human beings since ancient times. Long ago, people were aware of the fundamentals of time and its perception. They relied on the interpretation of celestial and heavenly bodies in determining time. Through time perception, people can acquire and understand knowledge about the future. It is essential for human planning and understanding complex behavior. This creates a strong relationship between how individual times and the effects of daily activities connect in human life. Time perception helps human beings feel time and create a strong awareness of the surroundings and interact effectively with nature. There is power in how people perceive time because they can express their thoughts and feelings, connecting memories of the past, present, and expected future. In conclusion, different beliefs and personalities impact the way humans perceive time. Time awareness is vital to every person and largely depends on the brain's functionality because it holds and stores memories attributed to sequential events. There is no universal way to time perception as it is associated with sensory pathways that differ from the senses. Time perception is affected by metabolic rate, and the ability to perceive events is connected to the speed of metabolism of the individual. It is essential because it helps humans keep account of events and memories of daily activities. Time perception is a fundamental aspect and central to the number of human behaviors that initiate future research on the topic.